What if I tell you that the huge amount of time you used to spend reviewing the PPAPs can now be done in a fraction of time? Yes, that's how AI is bringing the big disruption in the PPAP process. Hello, friends. I am Annurag Srivastava, and I help professionals to build their knowledge base to advance faster in their career, overcome their limiting beliefs, and confidently create the life they truly deserve. In this video, I am going to share with you the big disruption AI has on the PPAP preparation, review, and approval process. So let's get started. AI has seen an exponential growth in the implementation across the industries, transforming the ways the work has been carried out and giving us new insights and revelation, giving us fresh perspectives to drive the improvements in our work area, resulting in improvements of work quality. To understand in simple terms what AI is, artificial intelligence applies to advanced analysis and logic based techniques, including machine learning, to interpret the events, support and automate the decisions, and take actions. On broader terms, AI is the main umbrella under which different technologies fall into place. Like machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. AI, as I told you in simple terms, refers to any technique which enables computer to mimic human behavior using logic if then rules. Machine learning is a AI technique which uses statistical models that gives computers the ability to learn without being specially programmed for that scenario. Similarly, deep learning makes the computation of the multi-layered networks feasible by composing algorithms that allow software to train itself to perform tasks like speech and image recognition. Friends, as you know that PPAP is vital in the successful product development process and is the key tool between the manufacturing and supplier to communicate the maturity and successful prove out of the process capability to deliver the product meeting all the specification. So it is imperative to have an exhaustive review of the documents before you approve the PPAP as a customer. But challenges with current style of document review is it is a very time consuming exercise, as you know, and generally sampling exercise is done, due to which there are chances that some of the errors can get unnoticed. With multiple reviews between customer and supplier, there are high chances of potential delays as well. This is where the AI implementation comes as a savior for us, opening up all new horizon of data review, interpretation, and actions that needs to be taken. Now, Aerospace Industries has also started to ask the suppliers to do the PPAP submission. As you know, in automotive sector as well, with the advance of new technology, electric vehicles, process complexity, proper preparation and review of PPAP documents have become all more important. Now let's understand how AI is used in the PPAP process. Now there are many companies who offer bots. Bots are nothing but software algorithms to execute the defined task. The bots are linked with the web portal where when the supplier uploads the PPAP documents, the bots evaluate and interprets the quality and correctness of data by comparing it with the set of predefined rules and gives the output in a fraction of time, giving the supplier the results of submission by providing clear cases where the data error was there. To give you some example, bot will review the PSW document for the correctness of drawing number, revision number, part number, whether it matches with the data mentioned in the drawing or not, whether the correct level of submission has been used or not, and display the error if it finds any to inform the user to make the correction then and there itself. Similarly, the bot can evaluate the process capability report for the CPE and CPK values, and also the MSA reports results, whether it is acceptable or not. Companies offer these bots with a lot of customization flexibility also. So the companies can add some more rules specific to their organization in addition to the predefined rules. And all this data gets stored with meaningful interpretation for quick access. The other aspect of bots is in the preparation of the PPAP documents as well. It can assist you in the selection of correct severity, occurrence, and detection rating while preparing the FMEAs, and also let you allot the failure cause chain by linking failure mode with correct cause and effect, resulting in robust FMEA document. Another highlight of this is the dashboard analysis it provides you based on the evaluation which the bot has done for you to interpret the results. Through this dashboard, you can understand the PPAP status of the project, that how many part numbers PPAP has been submitted by which supplier and their acceptance level. You can also go into detail element wise, like for which part number, how many elements are okay, how many needs to be corrected, and what is the total score for that part. You can also understand how many times supplier have uploaded the data to get to the final OK level. This will let you know that which supplier needs to be trained and needs to be focused. AI implementation will give you numerous benefits. Some of them are it will save a lot of time and effort currently professionals devote to prepare and review the documents. Since it is a document review done by a bot, your complete document is reviewed rather than a sampling exercise. The complete review is governed by the set of defined rules, so it is very accurate. The team productivity will definitely increase as they can now focus on other important tasks. Time lost between several to and fro review and multiple submission and review will be saved, giving impactful results in the way the work is done. So friends, with this, I have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, then do support me with your likes and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done. I really appreciate and value your support to help me reach out to people. See you next time. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. See you.